with supervillains for some hunt. There is prey. Felicia.
My second bang. Let me stop, bro. What the heck? Miles, why do you have that in your room, bro? He said this man still haven't been doing his essay.
Where are you?
¿Estás listo?
For what?
En serio? My date's almost here and you're surfing the web?
No one says surfing the web anymore.
Can you just please get dressed?
Okay. See, you got your good lipstick on. You must really like this guy, huh?
Put up ASAP.
Miles?
I'm sorry. Look, next time, I promise.
Miles.
I love you.
This game is so fire, bro.
Hey, so I found a base belonging to those safari pirates, or hunters as they call themselves, and learned their boss's name, Craven. And he killed Scorpion. And he's got a whole hit list of supervillains.
Wait, what? Does this mean Lee?
Don't know, but this list is extensive. These must be the people Marco warned us about. They were hunting Sandman.
No way.
Felicia's on their list too.
Black Cat? Your ex?
Exactly.
Why you didn't say your ex like that? Come on, bro.
But maybe she'd listen to someone she doesn't know. If MJ reached out to you with some addresses, would you be up for taking point on this?
I got you.
Thanks, really. I gotta clear my head for a bit, but call me if anything comes up, and...
Hey, Miles. I have those addresses Pete mentioned for a few of Black Cat's safe houses.
Head into the first one now.
Thanks for offering to do this. Pete can get kind of blindsided by Felicia. I know you're busy with your college essay.
It's cool. I always have time to Spider-Man.
Sounds like you're as good at work-life balance as I am. I'm scrambling to finish my hunter story. Might save my job. But you guys, what happened to Scorpion? And Lee in the wind.
Can't focus while he's out there, MJ.
Don't let it eat you up. Might be best to just focus on the task at hand.
That's not all. When I faced Lee, I got some new powers. They're blue and weird.
I mean, I'm no expert on spider powers, but... Could it be from stress? What you're going through, it's a lot.
Gotta bounce. Sorry. Where are they going? Someone's gonna get hurt.
Oh my god, bro. Let's try that again. Let's try that again, player. Beach. You wanna get on bots? Oh.
Could it be from stress? What you're going through, it's a lot. But you're not alone. Even Pete and I, we're still figuring it all out. One thing at a time, right? We'll find him.
I know. Thanks, MJ.
And Miles, be careful with Felicia. You can't trust her, no matter what she says. Warn her about the hunters and get her out of the city.
Understood.
I got time for this.
You know when I get there.
I already been here.
What do we got?
Place looks like it was ransacked. Perfect chance to use the AR tech Genki upgraded. scratch marks. Huh.
Any sign of her?
Found some scratch marks with traces of metal. I'll run it to see if it matches her claws. Just have to isolate the molecular components of the metal filings I found. Let's see here. That's not right. Done. Titanium. What else?
Man, this game.
Okay.
What is this? Okay. I don't want to talk about it. There we go.
Nice. Cobalt. This is looking good. Who says science isn't fun?
Oh my god. Boy, they went out for this game, bro. Oh, here comes Shadow. It's just a basic puzzle, man. Like, relax. It's not that good. Relax. It's a basic puzzle. I keep forgetting, like, you're an Xbox player and you're going to be hitting 100%, and I get it. Xbox is not making games like this, so, you know, I be hitting too.
Tungsten. A match. Did it. It's her. Scuff marks from her shoes. She must have been hustling. She was grabbing something from that box on the wall. Looks like an emergency stash box, but it's empty.
I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that.
Hunters. That should be enough to reconstruct the scene. They attacked, but she's on the run.
They're already onto her. This is exactly why the city needs to be warned about the hunters. She could have... Keep me posted.
Whoa! That's gotta be her.
Yep, let's go with her, bro.
Well, this went from a friendly warning to a rescue mission pretty quick. I just hope I'm not too late.
Felicia's resourceful, but everything we've seen from these hunters has me kind of worried.
You're worried about your boyfriend's ex. That's compassion.
Bro. This man Miles is out of pocket, bro.
Looks like I just missed them.
Any signs of where they went?
Let me scan the area and see.
It's a lot of shit that destroyed here, bro.
Another stash box. This one's still locked. She risked her whole life to get to it. Gotta open it, but the power's disconnected.
I hear you beeping in my ear. Hear you beeping in my ear. I bet you're like right in front of me. I'm just missing you.
What did I miss?
No. If you don't looking at
An electrical node. I bet there's more. Another node down. Bet the generator could power that stash box.
I'm gonna connect it on.
If I tether tether my web to the generator, I can get into the box. This looks right. Nearly there. That did it. I'm in. Paris. MJ, how's your French?
Non-existent. But send me what you got.
Okay. There's some instruction manual for a wand of Watoon.
What tomb? I'll do a search. Give me a sec.
Hunters. Wherever they're headed, I should follow.
According to a translation of the Mystic Arcana, that wand is old. We're talking BC old. Supposedly, whoever wields it can create portals to pretty much wherever they can think of.
Like magic?
If she gets her hands on something like that.
I can think of some uses for it.
Miles, let's just stick to the plan.
I'm about to say, did I just see, like, sniper lasers?
In position. She's ours.
She's definitely inside. Gotta clear these hunters out. Whatever that wand does, it does it brightly. Sweet dreams.
You're a coward, Spider.
Either Black Cat's doing magic in there, or I'm missing out on a hell of a rave.
Trajectory came from up there. Did we lose it? The spider's here.
I'll try, yo. Hey man, I just like getting, I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? You know? I like doing that, you know what I'm saying? Ow. Your mama.
Take them both out.
Miles.
They see you. Give them.
The French from that postcard translates to my reason for living. Time is short.
A new partner?
With Felicia, you never know.
Is Felicia working with fucking, his uncle, bro? That'd be a party at duo, I ain't gonna lie. I've been a bastard. Bitch. Got my ass, got my roof. Stupid. Yeah.
That's the last of them. Now let's see what's up with Felicia.
Little spider wants to play, huh?
Oh, it's not working anymore, huh? It is working.
MJ! She stole the wand! And magic is very real.
What happened?
Hey, Cat! Can we talk? Will you slow down?
Back off before I portal you into the Pacific Ocean.
How'd you get on our columns?
You're still using the old channel. Don't you have better things to do, kid? Felicia, you have to stop. This is reckless, even for you. Who's this? Huh, that you, Red? How are things with the old spider these days?
Oh my god! Oh my god, bro!
I'm trying to help you.
I don't need your or any other spider's help.
You know what you can do with that wand?
She's just gonna use it to steal more art. Rude. I can hear you, clowns.
Whoa! The hell? Felicia, that could have hurt people. Ah! Watch out! The hunters are back.
Aw, they must really like me.
Oh my god, bro.
We can stop the guy trying to kill you.
Steal your own mystical artifact.
Oh my god!
Oh, didn't even bring my scarf. That wand can take us right to Craven.
Come here!
This was never about Craven.
Oh, she a badass, bro. I can't lie.
Why won't you help me stop this guy?
You're Spider-Man. You've saved the city before. You'll do it again.
Spider-Man was right about you. You only care about yourself.
Look, kid. Not that it's your business. My girlfriend's in Paris. And I got her into trouble with some bad people. Have you ever done something for love? She needs me now.
You can't believe you can't trust her, bro.
Figure out how to go more than 10 feet with this thing.
MJ said not to trust you.
Red's a smart one. But you gotta make your own choices, kid.
There's the cat! Take her alive!
She's mine!
Behind you!
That had to hurt. You should go. Portal out of here.
The instruction manual for this artifact was not clear.
You seem to be getting better at it.
Not better enough.
Oh my god!
Figure it out. Together.
Lucky attitude, kid.
It's Spider-Man, not kid, thank you.
Man, let's see what you've got.
Yeah, bro. Respect my name, bro. Don't fucking coming on damn kid, bro. Fuck wrong with you, bitch? Nyek.
She's everywhere! I cannot catch her!
More of them on the roof.
Hey, use this portal.
I was trying to like zip upward. I didn't need the portal, but thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. That was pretty cool.
Over here.
That was sick.
Yo, Caboose was in line when he said, I'm not showing you everything, bro. I'm telling you, I'm not showing you everything. Holy shit, he wasn't lying.
There's a turret now. Another portal for
Nah.
you.
I'll take all the help I can get here. Any magic tricks for bullets?
You got webs. Hit the turret and take it out. This one's mine.
They never saw you coming.
Hey, Spider-Man. Think they're here for the sea lion exhibit?
Oh, I want to see that. Did you know sea lions can swim up to 25 miles per hour?
Focus, Hunter. Lots of them.
Craven must really want you.
I'm not available. Stop the spider from helping her.
They're definitely trying to wear us down.
If they want
About to shut the
they'll
ground real
have to
quick.
call me.
Bop,
Let's not have
bop,
it come to
bop,
that.
bop, bop.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got the
Okay, okay. Oh, you took my knockout from me. Okay. Thank you. Didn't ask for that. Gee. You want to steal the show so bad. Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
More of a cat person, and these aren't dogs.
Well, they bite like dogs.
Worse.
Watch the portals.
This is cool as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck did you come from, bro? From me on that big ass Jeep.
They're throwing everything at us.
You might be on my last life here.
No, we're getting you to Paris. Your girlfriend needs you.
You really are Spider-Man.
She playing the shit out of Miles, bro.
Get out of the way! Fire now! Stay down.
Get over here. What? Doink. Doink. Get back here. Doink. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. That combo was so good.
Here. Focus. Think Eiffel Tower.
Bye. Wow, you let me keep the one?
Au revoir, Felicia.
Thank you.
You go despair my hand.
Show me Lee.
I knew it. Oh my god.
Hey, what's up with Felicia?
She's safe, for now. You finished your story?
Just sent it to Jonah. Wish me luck.
You got this.
Dude, head to Coney Island.
Why, what's up?
You know how Mysterio just got out of prison? Well, he's opening a new attraction there.
He could be the hunter's next target. Good call.
And guess who else is at Coney tonight? Hint, you've crushed on her for like over a year.
Come on, bro.
Don't bro me, bro. You and Haley are made for each other. If you don't ask her out, you're violating laws of nature.
We'll see. After we check on Mysterio.
Okay, I want to check this out first.
Spider-Man, thank you for coming. I'm looking for my grandpa Earl. He kept talking about meeting someone here, and now he's gone. And
Miles, look at her, bro.
can you please help me find him?
Any clues on where he might be?
Just this picture. He was staring at it all morning.
This looks familiar. Some kind of exhibit. This looks like it was taken 60 years ago. Around the same time of year, too. I'll find him. Don't worry.
Please hurry. He gets confused, and I just don't want him to get scared or hurt.
I was just there.
That picture had some animal in the background. Maybe an exhibit? No grandpa. But let's see what I can find.
Yeah, what happened here?
Those flowers by the sea lion pool. Is something else there? My wonderful Earl. Yep. This is him.
Oh, here he is.
I found him by the lake. I'll hang with him until you get here.
You did? I'm on my way. Stay right there.
Hey there, sir.
Spider-Man? Whatever you think I did, I didn't.
Your granddaughter.
Oh, boy.
You, sir.
Granddaughter. Oh. Well, tell her I'll be back in a minute. I proposed to my wife here. Right here. Where we sit.
Man, you're making the rest of us look bad. How'd you ask?
First off, we had to go to the zoo. Never met a soul who loved animals more than that woman. I was terrified. I meant to ask her at the meerkats. She said they reminded her of me, but my knees were knocking, man. I couldn't see straight. We left the zoo and just kept walking. Ended up here. She
Came with a camera.
If you saw her, man, just perfect. But clumsy. Nearly fell into that pond there. Face first. You ever been in love, Spider-Man?
Maybe.
It's beautiful. Nothing more beautiful. Can I tell you something, Spider-Man? I know I'm fading. It's scary as hell. Thought I'd be ready, but nothing gets you ready. Nothing. When I'm here, it's like she is too. Like I'm living it all over again. All nervous and sweating and whatnot. Then I look into her eyes and it's like I'm home. I was so nervous that day, Spider-Man. Almost didn't even ask. It's like I blinked and she's gone.
I'm sorry.
You said my granddaughter was looking for me? Let's go see her.
I should have guessed you'd come here. Sorry we lost track of each other.
It was my fault for wandering off. But Spider-Man took good care of me. Had a nice chat about your grandma.
Oh yeah? She used to love this spot, huh? I feel like I spent every weekend here with her, feeding the ducks.
I sit down with them, bro.
I wouldn't doubt it. I don't know much. I know that she loved you.
I know, Grandpa. She was always saying, Tasha, if you don't eat that sandwich, they will.
Tasha, you're funny like her. Too funny, kid.
This fucking game. Oh my god, bro. Bro, that was the perfect mission until we got to Coney Island, bro. Wait, what? Hold on. You know, zoom past that damn building.
Gotta change it to Miles first. Then I'll scope out the park. Incognito.
Gotta change it to Miles first, he says.
Bad guys.
And should we take a closer look?
Mysterium.
Hello, I'm Quentin Beck, Master Illusionist, and this is Betsy, my business partner, and Cole, my technical advisor. And this is the next generation of entertainment.
No way, dude.
Excellent! Cole,
You still wearing them
young
blue?
man, ready to experience the future firsthand. Is there anyone else out there with courage in their hearts? Come on, come all, and experience the future!
Damn, going there by myself. This man, Miles, bro. Oh my God, Miles,
There's a kiosk up ahead. Just keep moving.
you need to go back, put your Timbs on.
Please tell your friends, and feel free to visit one of the many Mysteriums now open around the city. Our free trial ends soon.
Thank you, Betsy. I'm sure he will.
The swag is not exaggerating right now, bro. This fucking game was good, though. Look at this shit, bro. Oh my God.
Now to customize your experience.
I can still fucking get in web stance.
As you look at these images, I want you to think about your future, your hopes and your dreams. Ah, yes. I'm getting good data. And we're done.
No way!
Enjoy the show. Don't worry, I'll be watching and listening. If at any time you begin to feel uncomfortable, just let us know. Enjoy your dream come true.
I'm a Power Ranger. I'm spitting out the mouth. What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Oh, what?
Oh, nice.
Oh my God, bro.
Alright, I'm in it.
All the motherfuckers talk about Miles not making beats, bro.
There it is, yeah.
It's only I heard you. I fucked that up. My bad.
Here it comes, y'all. Let's go. Alright, let's break this down.
This finna be hard.
Nice.
It's his theme song. I'm still spitting out the mouth.
Yeah, we outside now.
Hey, bro. Oh my God, bro. I fucked that up.
Here we are. Let's bring it home. Boom! Yeah, baby. Let's break this thing down one more time.
Damn. I'm fucking up.
Now we
Got it.
outside.
Did you say we outside?
Turn me up some. Genki's gotta try this.
I'm trying to lock in your premise.
Get ready, y'all.
Oh my God, he did shit with Lee, bro.
Lee? do that? Where did Lee go? Was that even real? Right now, analyze later.
Oh my god, bro.
Get him out! Beck, can you hear me?
Yes, we're having a bit of a malfunction.
Obviously!
I'm sorry, we cannot see you. Can you describe what is happening?
I was rocking the club. Then a bunch of bad guys showed up. Now they're trying to rock me.
Whoa!
I hope you're not hurt.
I can hold my own. Can't you just pull the plug or something?
It's not that easy. No, we are trying.
What am I playing right now? I'm kicking ass. Why did I do that? I love my theme remix like this though. I don't see nobody else.
Why are Lee and his demons here?
Okay.
Is this all in my head? Beck told me to think about my future when he was creating my illusion. Is this what I was thinking about?
Probably.
Wicked.
We're almost there. Are you still holding your
I gotta time that better.
Sit tight. Just a few more moments.
Whoa, bitch. Get out of here.
Beck said this was my custom dream come true. Maybe more like a nightmare.
Rockies in this? Where you at? Come here, bitch. Okay.
There's the mixer.
Get to it. Fast. I think if you finish the song, you might hit a break point in the program. There. You should see an exit. Make your way to the...
Okay, time to go.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I am very sorry. We will do our best to find out what happened. But until then...
Miles! So, what's up with that?
Oh. The future of entertainment still has some bugs to work out.
Hi, Pete. Cool shirt. Cool shoes. Really cool shoes. Cool everything, really.
Hey, Miles. Thank you.
Guys, this is my best friend Harry. He just got back from overseas, and he's starting up a new research foundation.
You mean we're starting up a new research foundation? Hey, good to meet you.
New job, huh? Still gonna have time for tutoring?
We'll figure it out.
Shall we?
Actually,
You got a bubble
that
book
thing
in my
back there
head.
really messed my head up. Can we dip?
Okay.
Nice meeting you, Harry.
Yeah, you too.
You good?
Yeah. Actually, I'll catch up with you later.
Hey, we should really check in on Miles. Make sure he's okay.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Well, they seem nice. Not too bad they're gonna miss out on the best night of our lives, huh?
He really struggling with that shit, bro.
All right, here's the plan. Tonight is the greatest hits album of our childhood, and the top 3 singles, each of our favorite attractions. And, lucky boy, we're starting with you.
I'm starting to see the Nathan Drake now, bro. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see what's the time is. Exactly what I thought it was. Almost an hour. It hasn't been an hour yet, but it's an hour for this. It's enough content for this video. That shit was fire.